Hi, how are you? Welcome to my sharing class. Today we are learning about ion meter and multiparameter meter. These are the contents we want to share, including 5 parts. We may use this type of mouthwash containing fluoride ions in our daily life, because fluoride can protect our teeth. In addition, sodium chloride physiological saline, iodine disinfecting solution also contains certain specific ions. So what is ion? Ions are charged atoms or atomic groups. Specifically, ions are charged particles formed by atoms or molecules after gaining or losing one or more electrons. These charged particles can be positively charged or negatively charged. This is a schematic diagram of the ion meter principle. When the ion selective membrane is immersed in the test solution, the difference in target ion activity on both sides of the membrane will cause ion exchange, forming a concentration difference membrane potential. This potential is linearly related to the logarithm of the target ion activity in the test solution and conforms to the Nernst formula. Ion meter is an electrochemical analytical instrument used to measure the ion concentration in a solution. In fact, a pH meter that measures hydrogen ions is also an ion meter. I have listed the different models of benchtop and portable ion meters. Our models can cover high, medium, low-end products to meet your needs. The ion meter has the following core parameters: measurement range, resolution, accuracy, calibration point, ion measure mode, temperature compensation mode. What is ion measure mode? Direct reading. This mode is also called standard curve method. It's the most commonly used method for measuring ion concentration. According to the illuminant formula, a linear relationship is established between the ion concentration and the electrode potential, so as to determine the ion concentration of the sample. Standard addition. This mode is also called the known addition method. It's mainly used to measure samples with low content. The standard solution is added to the sample, and the concentration value of the sample is determined by measuring the potential change before and after the addition. Sample addition. Similar to the standard addition method, it's mainly used to measure samples with higher content. The sample to be tested is added to the standard solution, and the concentration value of the sample is determined by measuring the potential change before and after the addition. Grand method. Similar to the standard addition method, it's mainly used to measure samples with low content, and the concentration value of the sample is measured according to the mathematical principle of the grand mode. In this table, I have listed some parameters of different models. We can take a look at the first model. Here are its measurement range, display resolution, accuracy, and calibration points. Our ion meters can also measure pH. Ion calibration. Ion calibration has a slope indicator that can indicate the electrode state. It is displayed on the instrument as PTS. When PTS is between 95% and 105%, the electrode is in good condition. During calibration, ion standard solutions of different concentrations need to be prepared, such as 0.01 and 0.001 moles per liter. This table shows the parameters of different ion electrodes. These electrodes are combined ion selective electrodes that combine a measuring and a reference electrode. These electrodes are available for both benchtop and portable models. In a certain pH range and total ionic strength, measured by the ion electrode method, the logarithm of the ion concentration in the solution is linearly related to the electrode potential within a certain concentration range. These electrodes are ion-selective single electrodes and require a reference electrode for use. Since the portable models do not have a reference electrode socket, these electrodes are only suitable for benchtop models. For these single electrodes, I have listed the reference electrodes that are suitable for different single electrodes, which you can check through this table. So far, we have shared the relevant content of pH meter, conductivity meter, dissolved oxygen meter, and ion meter. Actually, we can easily understand what multiparameter meter is. Multiparameter meter is a combination of pH meter, conductivity meter, dissolved oxygen meter, and ion meter. Finally, I have listed the models in this overview table, so that you can easily check and select the required product based on your application. The above is all the content of this sharing class. Thanks for watching. See you next time.